Whatever happened to commitment? To being there? To showing up? To seeing things through? To staying no matter what? The simple truth is that in an age where dedication is a hassle, where relationships are measured in likes, it has become rare. But since 1985, Auto&General has been unwavering in its commitment to its customers, to its communities, to this country. Even though we may look different, nothing has really changed. When things are broken and hope lies scattered in the rubble, we are there to help pick up the pieces and put lives back together. That's our promise. That's our difference. That's our commitment. Auto&General is, and always will be, never not there.